This is section 20.1, question 6b. This is another two-way table, slightly bigger than the last one. It's got more columns and also it's got more interesting bits missing. So we really need to fill in the columns, we need to fill in the table to do the question, so that's what we're going to do first. So I'm going to fill in the easy quick wins. That's a quick win, and by adding those two together I get this one. 4 add 2 is 6, 20 add 30 is 50, I get 56. I can work out this one because something plus 12 is 35. So if I take 12 away from 35, I'll know what this one is. So if I take 10 away from 35, I get 25. Take away another 2, I get 23. So now I've got that completed. Now I'm going to do this one. 70 plus 80 is 150. Now I missed these out because these required a bit more work, and now I can decide which one I fancy doing. I think I'm going to do the bottom row. If I take 50 away from 150, I get 100. Take another 6, I get 94. If I take 30 away from 94, I get 64. If I take 5 away from 64, I get 59. So what needs to go in here? Well, I'm going to need a 6. 3 plus 6 makes 9. And then I'm going to need a 30. I'm going to need 36. Does it work? 36 plus 12 is 36, 46, 48. Plus 32, 48, 50. Then another 30 makes 80. Yes, that works with that. It works with that. So I think I've got the right answer here and here. How many more women go swimming than men? So 36 women go swimming and 23 men go swimming. So 36 take 23 gives me 13. So my answer is 13 more women. This is my workings, this is my answer. How many more people run than dance? So we're not looking at gender now, we're just saying how many more people run than dance. So running is 56, dancing is 35, so we need to take that away from that. So 50 take 30 is 20, 60 that's 21, 21 more people run. So there's my answer. What fraction of the men go running? Now this one caused me a bit of bother because I couldn't quite work out what we were looking for. Fraction of the men go running. So it's the total men I want, and the fraction of men so it's 24 out of 70. I can stop there if I want. I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2, which gives me 12 out of 35. And if I look at that, can I take it any further? Well, factors of that are 5 and 7, and there's no 5 and 7 aren't factors of that, so I think that's as far as I can go. So that's in its simplest form. What fraction of people dance? So dancing is 35. The total number of people is 150. Again, I can leave it there. 35 and 150, they both divide by 5. So 5 into 35 is 7. 5 in 150 is 30. And that, I think, stops there. That's a prime number and it's not a factor of that. What percentage of women go running? What percentage of women go running? So the going running is 32 out of 80, and you would need to multiply that by 100. So I would do that on a calculator. I definitely would not do that in my head. And so with my calculator, which I've sneakily just found, I'd open up my fraction button, 32 divided by 80 times 100, and that gives me 40%. Thank you.